Kumshi bynta ban pentingna bakan ommi kanu ko huri hura lani ke jingpur jong ke jingi kan at aprengi arli ki chaj benriu na ke jela Manipur hapo ko nongbah Shillong na kalyang trat Pulit kladab an pej pyrman bah hagi bynta jong nongbah bagi chaj benriu Kuki ban Meitei Shillong yasa habai kran ba kilat pathai khubor na kalyang Director General of Police ke jela Dr. LR Bishnoi long bak trat Pulit klap pej ngor bah hagi bynta jong happy bali madan reteng nong thamai bat kiwei de ki chaka na bynta bat pengklani ki bor pahara.
We have identified certain areas where the citizens and the youth of both community are residing, like Happy Valley, like that Nongthamai area is there, Nongslang area is there, Laimukra area is there, and Madanetting area is there, and few other scattered areas where the youth are staying. So in those areas we have already drawn a plan to execute and strengthen the mobile patrolling in those areas.
Total how many areas, such areas are there?
The 6 areas we have identified, and rest some educational institutions, like many students are studying in Nehu. So we are in touch with the administration of the Nehu also. And so far no problem, and we are not visualizing much problems here. We have shared our contact number with all the community and students leader and assured them if any problem, please don't take law into your own hands. We are with them for any kind of help, and they are free to contact with us.
Last night, because of this minor incident as you mentioned, some local Darbar, including headmen, they have taken their own responsibility without maybe informing you, but today, since we have organized this kind of meeting, why not invite them also?
We can invite them also. This is a very, very preliminary interaction meeting. We will organize more such meeting, inviting the concerned, the Rongbah Shillong, Darbar Shillong also. And Honorable Chief Minister has already appealed to all sections of the society, including community leaders, to help us in maintaining peace and order here. And they should not take law into their own hands.
Halo kecing pengkre jong sarkar bawan yelam no ik samla ki bidang sakut apo ke jela Manipur DGP ke jela ulai tho bolo dab ekran ba DGP ke Manipur nak bantaban ai ki lat cingya dai samla pulie ki bidang sakun.
Now these students are safe. We are in regular touch with the senior officers of Manipur. Today itself I have spoken with the DGP Manipur, and they have assured us to provide full safety to the citizens. And today one chartered plan is going to Imphal to bring back the students of Meghalaya. We have got the list of 61 students who are studying in agriculture and food technology institutes, and some in the RIMS also. And if second lot also, the Honorable CM has assured that they will be brought back till the situation settles down there, till the situation normalizes. And I'm sure that I have spoken with DGP, lot of forces have reached there, and within a couple of days the situation will become normal.
So how many students have been evacuated from?
And today just plan, the aeroplane has gone, chartered plane has gone, and our officers have also gone. So we got the list of 61, and we have spoken with the Assam, the rifle officials also, and the Manipur. They have assured us to provide security till they depart from the Imphal. And I don't visualize any serious problem.
So in total, how many? Because as you mentioned, 61, maybe.
61 we got the list, and after that, whoever are left in the RIMS and other institutions, they will also be brought back. And immediately once they come here, we have a plan to interact with them so that they should not feel any kind of trauma after this incident.
But any data, like how many altogether we have in Manipur?
That exact data is not available with me, and we will try to collect that data exactly, because there are different institutes where the students are studying. Some institutes are safe, like yesterday when I have spoken with the DGP, so he assured us, and immediately paramilitary forces was deployed in the RIMS, and the students were safe there.